Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a fake movie poster intro in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch CapCut app and from the home screen, tap on Templates. Then here in the search bar, type movie poster or cinematic poster to browse trending templates and preview a few movie poster style templates and tap the use templates once you find the one that you like. And here, import your chosen photo or short video. Adjust the media to fit the poster name. You can also customize the text by replacing the placeholder text with your own movie title or tagline. And enhance it with filters and effects. You can also add overlays such as light leaks, film grain, and more. And once satisfied, you can now tap export and share your fake movie poster intro on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels to grab attention. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.